Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Bangladesh counterpart Sheikh Hasina today jointly inaugurated three Indian assisted development projects through video conferencing. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has reached Colombo on a three-day official visit to Sri Lanka. The visit will feature a series of crucial engagements and diplomatic exchanges. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will interact with India's Asian Para Games contingent at Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium in New Delhi today. In Kerala, Dominic Martin, the lone accused arrested in connection with the blast last Sunday at a prayer meeting of Jehovah's Witnesses in Kalamassery, was remanded to judicial custody till the 29th of this month by a court in Ernakulam last evening. India clinched a narrow 2-1 win over Japan to register their fourth straight win and storm into the semi-finals of the Women's Asian Champions Trophy hockey tournament in Ranchi yesterday.